If you're looking to make a professional website for your tattoo business, or if you're a tattoo artist looking for a site, this is a site that's integrated with Instagram and with another cool widget I'm going to show you so you can use your Instagram photos to easily create and populate your site. It's only $9 a month. Whether you're an artist or a shop, you want to show your Google reviews, show pictures of your work, I'm going to show you how to use this platform to build a professional informational website for your tattoo business. You can pick from your Instagram photos to use them from throughout the site. You can even integrate your Instagram if you want to do our work or my work page with your about and those types of things. So I'm going to show you how to add more pages to your site, how to add your social media, and how to easily use Instagram to pick from photos to the site, or use this widget tool to add Google reviews, Facebook reviews, photo galleries, or other photos that you want to showcase your work, and how to easily update or add the text to. Let's jump right in and get started. All right, let's start building our tattoo artist website. So tattoo artist, tattoo shop, it's only $9 a month. I'm going to put in tattoo, and we've got a whole bunch of different types of tattoo businesses, tattoo removal service. I'm going to click on tattoo shop. It works for if you're a tattoo artist or a tattoo shop. We can see somebody just started building a mighty site 9 minutes ago, even as I'm doing this. So I'm just going to put Keegan's Tattoos. And then type of business, it's a service business, Denver, Colorado, and click continue. Now you can see it's just going to automatically populate my template for me. And there's this little click through where you can actually click around and see how this platform is going to work. It's super straightforward and easy, but I'm just going to skip this because we're going to jump in. I'm going to be showing you how to do this anyway together. So as I go through, you can see at the very end, there's also success stories. So it shows all the different types of businesses that use Mighty sites to create their business website. So you can see as I go through, it really works well for all types of different businesses. Here are just a few examples, but now I'm going to jump in and I'm going to show you. So check it out. It's already pre-populated with a bunch of tattoo stock photos, but you can go ahead and you can add your own as well. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to jump in here and add my contact information. So I want people to contact me, obviously. So I just click on that, show on the site. It shows up right there, phone number. And this doesn't matter if you have a shop or if you're a solo tattoo artist. You can put your location in here as well if you have a shop. And then obviously you probably want to link your social links as well. So you just copy and paste over the links to your social media sites. You just copy and paste Instagram.com/ whatever your page URL is. And then you just paste them in right there. And now you got your social media links. They'll show up at the top. They also show up down here in the footer. Super straightforward and easy platform to use. Now you can see if you have a logo, which would be cool, you can upload it right here. I'll actually make a quick logo so you can see how I do this. Let's just go to logo, and then we're going to put tattoo. So Canva is really simple and easy to use for something like this. So all you do is go to Canva. I selected tattoo. Let's just go with this one. This is pretty cool. And then I'm actually going to resize this so it's a little bit, I just want to make this fit. Yeah, let's just resize all these different parts. Actually, this is a perfect opportunity to show you my tool, Keegan's Tattoos. All right, so I'm going to download this now, and we'll do transparent background. All right, now check it out. When I go over here and upload my photo, I upload from my computer, and now there's all types of cool tools I can use. So once it uploads, you're going to see it appear here once I save it. So now you can see it's really small. I can click on make it bigger, but you can see it's got all that extra space around it, which is what I was trying to get rid of in Canva. But it's actually even easier to do here in Mighty Sites. So I can just go like this and crop it way down like that, and then just click on done. And now it's going to get rid of all that white space that was around it before. As soon as I save it, now you can see now it looks better. Now I can make it bigger or smaller. I can also update the design. So if I want to change the layout, I can switch to a layout like this and see, maybe I like that layout better, which is cool. But I'm just going to switch it and go back to the traditional layout that I had before. All right. So for any of these sections, it's really easy to just type and click Keegan's Tattoos. Turn your ideas. I will help bring your ideas to life, right? And then I can add copy underneath that as well. And now schedule a consultation. If somebody clicks on that, it's going to go right to the wherever I direct it. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to update the action. I can have that call to action just go anywhere I want to on my site, or I probably can just have it click to call. So if I want, I can just say contact us or me today, right? And then I just save that action button. I can also link it out to a Google form. If I want to create a Google form for people to contact me, I can just create that Google form, link to it from my call to action button, and then people can contact me that way as well. Now, for any of these images, really cool thing. So you can go in here and you can connect your Instagram to pull your images in throughout the site. You can browse for photos from your computer, or you can search this photo library of Unsplash photos, which are all pre-licensed for you to use on the platform as well. So you can see tons of tattoo shop stock photos. So however you want to populate the site, really simple and easy to go through and do that. And then one of my favorite things is to even use ElfSite now. So ElfSite is a really great tool. It's got all these widgets. So if you want to add like a photo gallery of your work, if you want to add like your reviews from any platform, you can do that here too. I'm just going to add the Google reviews. So I've got an account here. I'm going to go in to my photo gallery. You can see that I've got a couple photo galleries set up. I'm going to go to my Google reviews, and then I'm going to click on this, copy the code. ElfSite's like free or $5 a month to use too. So then I'm going to go over here to this ElfSite section, paste it in, save it, and then I'm going to exit editing mode so that you can see this. And now you can see, now I've got a nice website, simple professional website. I can add my own photos to it, but it's even got my Google reviews on here. I put in my address for directions, or I can just change that up if I don't like that too. And then one other thing I'm going to show you is how to add another page. So in case you want to add another page with a gallery of your work, really easy way to do that is to just click here to add a page and then just say my work. So you can add that. And then I'm going to show you how to add that to your site. So I'm going to now go to update section. I'm going to go to update section right here, update my menu, and then I'm going to do my work, choose where that links, my website. Here's a new page I just added for my work. Add that to my menu. Also going to add a home button, and then I'm going to choose where that links, and that'll just go to the header banner section of my site. Add that to the menu. Let's move the home up to the top. I'll add my work in front of contact, save that menu item, close, and now if it'll refresh and you can see I've got a home and then I've got my work. Now my work is just going to be basically like a blank page that I can edit here. So now I'm going to go into this page and I'm going to activate editing mode. And I just want to show you, so this is fine at the top. You could add whatever you want about your work or your style. You can add a photo of yourself. Again, just by, if you want, go pull one from Instagram or your photo library. But I'm just going to go to update section. And then here's where I can build the ElfSite code. So probably something cool would be maybe your Instagram feed. I'm just going to go over here and click on this. And I'm actually going to switch it up. Let's just create a new one so you can see a little bit of how this works. So let me just create a widget. And let's just say I put a lot of my work on my Instagram. So here's my Instagram. I want to use that. I'm going to continue this template, and then I'll just enter in my name. So let's just go to Instagram and find tattoo artist. All right, let's do tattoo artist near me. All right, cool. Let's find somebody. J Tattoos, super cool. All right, very cool tattoo artist. Let's paste that in there and search. I'm gonna click publish. Now I just click on install and I copy the code. I can go back over here, paste it into ElfSite, save it, close. I'm gonna update this form section. So get in touch. Would love to talk about your vision, right? Something like that. So just save something like that on the form. Cool. And now if I stop editing mode, now you can see that I've got a really cool section that shows all of my work and shows my section, right? So you could even update this and maybe just say an about me, right? So just say about me to artist in Denver. All right. So now I'm just going to say, I am a tattoo artist, right? So just generic copy here, but then you could write something about yourself and then maybe pull an image from your Instagram, but I'm just going to search the photo library and just put tattoo artist. See if we can get a picture of somebody that works for us right there, maybe right here. Maybe this is the photo of you in action. I'm gonna save that. And then cool. So you've got this nice page now. So I'm gonna go to stop editing mode. And now you've got about me, photo, and then you've got your Instagram plug in there so people can follow you and check it out. Pretty cool, easy way to create a nice professional website. You can see we've got a really professional website now for this tattoo artist or tattoo shop. Pulling in your Instagram photos is a great feature of this to really make it a professional site.